In today's video, we will make very beautiful designs from vegetables. In this video, we will teach you how to make beautiful flowers using tomatoes. See how beautiful we can make flowers from tomato seeds. We have to take small pieces of tomato and cut them into round shapes. Now we have to arrange these round tomatoes in a round shape in a beautiful way. Now see how beautifully this rose flower looks. We have to arrange one layer on top of the other. This will help us see more beauty in the flower and see how cute and beautiful the flower is. Many such vegetables have been prepared. To watch many beautiful decoration videos about vegetables, subscribe to our channel and also open the bell icon so that our latest videos continue to reach you. Thank you for watching the video. We must express our appreciation through art acts so that we can be motivated and we can improve our work even more.